welcome back to this motherfucking channel. Now, I haven't done anything makeup related in a long time, and I think it's about time that makes a comeback on this channel. So, what I will be bringing to you guys, hold on, gotta tie this motherfucking hair. So what I'm gonna bring to you guys is my favorite look that I do on myself when I don't know what to do, and I'm gonna just play it safe. Let's watch. Now, I will not be using any foundation on my face. I will be using foundation on my eyes. Now, why doesn't she have primer? Good question. I don't know why. I just haven't bought any. So what I'm gonna use for my eyes today, or tonight, because I'm recording in the night, I will be using Mary Kay. I do not prefer this for the face because it didn't go well with my face. So it's kind of, the texture's not amazing. I'm not saying it's bad, but I didn't like it on my face. It made me look really cakey, and that's not the look I was going for. So we're gonna apply this on our lids. So we're gonna squeeze this out just a little bit. It seems like a little bit a lot, but I mean, I'm gonna put 2 layers onto this bitch, and we're gonna use a little mirror that I got at a little quinceañera. Why is she doing that? I don't know, bitch. I don't know. So we're just gonna apply it on here. And obviously we know what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to blend this bitch in. We're not supposed to keep it in. So it's all blended out. Looks kind of normal-ish. I still look a little nuts. But I want to show you guys what I like to do. So I like grabbing this Amber Eyes from Profusion Cosmetics. And I'm going to go in with the color with Outgoing. Because we're going to be fucking outgoing right now. We're doing our makeup in the night, and we ain't even got a place to go. We're kind of outgoing, if you ask me. So, I'm going with this shit. Blend it. Blend, 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 blend. Now, I will be going in with Fearless because we ain't scared of shit. Then I will be going in with this cute, tiny little heat fire. And I think it's from Heat Fire Mini from Okalan. And no, not Oakland. Okalan. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I guess I'm a little weird. So we're gonna go in with this orangey slash, it's like, I'm not sure what you are, but there's no color to it. There's no name to it. So we're just gonna have to just call it half rust, half orange. I don't know what the fuck you are, but you're something. And we're gonna go in here. Kind of create a little small crease. Reason why, I will show you in a bit. Now I like going on little windshield wiping with circular motion just to make this look become a little more soft and not look patchy. Gotta smooth out the edges. And yeah. So I didn't know I was not filming. I almost finished the whole fucking video. Okay, so what I was doing is I was blending in this beautiful red tone that I love so very much. And I was blending it in with this you know, do our thing. We just did our thing real quick. And then sometimes the colors will have a small crease. All you gotta do is go back in with that medium tone. That's a lot of product that just fell out down. And, you know, just blend it in right. You gotta make a sunset. You gotta make you just gotta make it. And for the people that are wondering, like, how do I get these colors to blend in right? Honestly, it could either be the way that you're blending. You know, you need to learn to have a light hand. And it could even be your brushes. Cheap brushes, they don't always help out. And it could even be your makeup. Like, this makeup is from the mall, and there is absolutely no names, just colors. Yet. I mean, they're not the best, you know, but they do what they could. So, you know, I feel like it's cool to appreciate all brands that do work and actually get the job done. And then appreciating some brands that are high end and still have shitty quality. Next, I will be going in with this Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner. This is my go-to for now, because I don't know, this brand has been a little not that great. Oh, I already lost my quinceañera mirror. Where the fuck? We're just gonna have to use this. So it says to shake, which I don't know how it helps. I mean, you still ain't that great, but it's whatever. So what I like to do, I didn't even expect this kind of shit from me. I just know that the other eye is not gonna be as great. We'll see. Huh. I'm not sure if they're even se parecen, no se parecen, no sé. Let's see. They're close enough. Oh, that's the shit. All right, cool. Hold on. Next step, glitter. Fucking glitter from You Can Be. So I like going with You Can Be Starry palette. Has 16 colors. 4, 8, 12, 16, you see? So I'm gonna go in with this little gold. Little champagne gold, you know, because we fancy and whatnot. And we're gonna work on the next one.
No, I lost my mascara. I don't know what happened on it.
Now, a lot of you guys are probably wondering, you know, why didn't she do her eyebrows? Why didn't she do her face? Why didn't she even put on mascara? Currently, I don't have mascara. And the other things are, I just haven't found a foundation that is really cool for my skin. What I usually use, it's kind of the end of the day, so I'm not going to do a whole full face. But I gave you guys directions on how to do this crazy ass, pretty ass look. So, appreciate it. Another thing that I use, I use Coastal Scents 6 contour blushes, and there's a fair skin tone up on the top that is almost fucking finished because of me. And I've had this thing for a while. And that is usually my go-to. Another thing that I like to use, hold on, let me dig in this fucking thing. Another thing that I like to use, Jesus, where's it? Found it. This hole of makeup. I like to use Match Perfection. And it's from Rimmel, London. And I like to use it on my under eyes. But like I said, it's nighttime. We're not in the mood for that. Currently I'm growing out my eyebrows, so that's exactly why I didn't do my eyebrows. And I just gave you guys a little bit of some candy taste, some Chicano taste that I like to put on. I've just recently been getting into gold and into sparkly shit. Used to not even be into it, but now that's changing. I'm growing. I feel like I'm growing a little bit. And I hope you guys appreciated this look. Make sure you follow me on all my social media, which will be listed down below. And enjoy the rest of your day. I'm not sure what I was trying to do, but bye-bye. Urban Chicana out.